Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we change the dimension setting. If you as you can see over here, all the dimensions which I have provided over here is not giving my dimension in architectural form, like in feet and inches. To change this, the command we will use is we will type D, enter, and we will change the dimension styles. So we'll go to settings and modify this, and over here, like you can see lines by block, symbol and arrows, text fit. We will go to primary units, and in this we will change the unit form to architectural, and we will give to like this. We will give here uh, 0 feet and inches, and you can change diagonal if you want to give, or horizontal, and here unit format decimals, and we will change the precision to 0.0, and just click OK, and set correct, and just close this. As you can see now, the dimension is changed into architectural format. So this is the way you can change your dimension if the dimension is not correct. I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.